Hey you guys, what's up? It's Super Prince Ray. And Fred, would you quit it? This video does not have sexual content, but I just wanted to hang out. Fred, get out! Sex is going for my duty, and my duty is to stay here. Anyway, first of all, I want to tell you the story from my background right now. I'm cleaning my room, and it's a total mess. Today, I want to talk about I'm sorry. Wait. I got an idea. Okay, I was gonna talk about some random stuff about food, but seems like I sneezed. That's hard to say, right? I don't know. But since I have done that, let's talk about sneezes. Heck yeah! Seriously? I told you to get out! Right now! Whoa! Hold on. If you haven't looked yourself, I'm wearing the same shirt. Okay, after a bunch of terrible jokes, let's get into the video. The people deserved it. I want to introduce you to some types of sneezes, at least the one that I know. Number one, the turtle type. Wait, this is a snake. The turtle type. Okay, this seems perverted. This sneeze is so annoying because it's so slow that sometimes makes the feeling of sneezes go away, like disappear. Who let grandma in charge? I know it's so slow, but when you sneeze, it's like your throat just gave birth to a bunch of air full of diseases and bacteria and viruses that are flying everywhere and making some new friends. You know that kind of friendship when you just make the other person sick? Oh god, that's cold. And now I realize I just look like a freaking zombie. In fact, this sneeze shouldn't be named the turtle type, but the zombie type, because I just look like one of them. Because you know, this just sounds... Pray! Oh, I dare you, zombie. I'm prepared. A book. Yeah. How are you gonna defeat a zombie with the book? Knowledge is power. Anyway, why this happens? I mean, I just want to sneeze. Let me sneeze in peace. I'm not trying to be on the cusp of The Walking Dead. That show is amazing. Number two, the 911 call. Hello? Yeah? Give me some taquitos. Hello, Taco Bell. Let me tell you how stressful it is to know someone that does this sneeze. You know those types of sneezes that sound soft or like a balloon running out of air? Well, these are not. The 911 call is loud, and I'm not talking like,
oh my god, everyone would hear my sneeze. Oh gosh.
Heck no. I'm talking like a scream, like coming off your throat, and I'm not gonna try to do it. That will hurt a lot. And it just confuses me. Do I say bless you, or do I call the police?
This one on you, this one on your cow.
Oh, that just sucks. Number three, the Brandon type, also known as
I'm gonna piss you off.
Type. This is turtles, zombie's costume. It's slow, you do a zombie face, and it just disappears. Blue, blue, blue.
Where'd he go?
Don't play with my feelings. But making that sneeze, I just realized that I look like I'm on drugs.
Oh my god, maybe I don't look like I'm on drugs. I look constipated.
This sneeze is like that kid in school named Brandon. But it's so annoying. Because Brandon is not there to gossip with his friends. Brandon is not there to hang out with them. Brandon is not even there to piss the teacher off. No! He's there to make your life impossible. Impossible? Wow. Impossible. Because Brandon is just there to ask you stupid questions and then be like, never mind. Squeeze me. Brandon, that is not how you have to behave. Be like Jeff. Jeff is good. Did you see what I did? I love this book. You, my friend, had every death of the Harry Potter series, the Hunger Games, the Game of Thrones, every John Green books. I don't know what else. The Maze Runner. What else? Any other books that I don't quite remember right now. But but all of the deaths that make you cry. Okay, enough with the book references. Number 4, the kitty cat type. That's actually me. And I don't have a joke for this one. This shit is real. Number 5, the place type. This one is funny, and I really like it actually. If I'm with a friend or a family member, it's completely fine. You know, I will place in any time because I make fun of them, so. But if I'm with a stranger or someone that I don't know, anyone else, I'll be like, oh bless you, thanks. Oh bless you. Oh, okay. Here's the Bible. What? Some holy water. Dear Lord, please save this soul in need. Can I get an amen? Amen, hallelujah. I didn't sneeze. Never mind. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. It was hard to record this thing. You learn new things. How to get rid of a sneeze and how to kill a zombie. Okay, now I realize that's messed up. Because zombies, it's brains, okay? That means that they don't have one, or at least theirs is rodent. So that is kinda, no, nasty. Okay, I hope you like and enjoyed this video, and if you did, please stop by every Wednesday, because there will be new videos every Wednesday. What? New videos every Wednesday. Nice. Hasta la vista. Bye. Why did I change my shirt? Because the other one was inappropriate. Yeah, even for me.
Oh, that really hurt.
Yeah, I got a lot of pimples. Why? When I'm trying to make a video.
We're all in this together, except you, 'cause you're ugly as shit.